Hey, good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Mike Brookins here. I bet you're going to be happy that this month of February is over. Not too many fans of this. You know, skiers, yes. Although it was cold a lot of the days to get out there and do some skiing. If you dressed appropriately, you of course could with some great conditions. This is going to go down as the coldest month ever, guaranteed. Just a few hours left, and as of last night, Friday evening, the average temperature for the month, 9.1, really shattering the old record for the coldest ever. That was 12.1. And this is not just the coldest February, but the coldest of any month. It's also the second snowiest February. There was one February where we had 72.6. This month, 59.9. That should stay that way. No snow reported today. We peaked at only 32 degrees, never got above freezing, minus 18 the low, and there were plenty of temperatures below zero. Well, as quiet as it was still chilly on Saturday, and it looks like we're back into the thick of things just as March flips the calendar. Looks like it could come in for a lion for a lot of central New York. We're going to find some accumulation. Because the snow amount isn't quite as high for Syracuse, there are no winter weather advisories in place for us, but for a good portion of central New York to the south and to the east from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 a.m. Monday, an advisory for winter weather. It is not a warning, so we're not seeing that higher threshold of snow accumulation. Temperatures on Saturday only in the teens to lower 20s. Checking out the almanac in Syracuse, we were in the upper teens. National Weather Service has yet to report their numbers, but we started off at least at -2, very close to the record low of -3. Here's what we can expect going forward from here. Overnight tonight, it's still quiet and cold. We'll be back down near zero, I think just above in Syracuse, because some clouds will start to increase. We'll also find a slight breeze by late at night. Sunday, snow develops by the late morning. Earlier for some areas, like the Finger Lakes into the south, a little bit later up to the north and northeast. Could be midday for you. An area-wide average of 1 to 3 inches during the daytime by 7 p.m. Sunday evening. On top of that, some steady to light moderate snow as we go through the evening, becomes light Sunday night. Add on another 1 to 3 inches, excuse me, and then another 1 or trace to 3 inches coming up on Monday. Here's the futurecast. Notice the clouds coming in during the overnight. Snow already, it's light. This is more like flurries coming into the Finger Lakes by 7 a.m. I think it's late morning for Syracuse, 9 to 10 o'clock in the morning. Some light snow or flurries develop. And for much of the day, it is going to be light in Syracuse. There'll be some times where it's more moderate to the south of Onondaga County. Then as we go into the evening, the snow is actually going to blossom some, so at times moderate snow, becoming light again by late night. And it looks like some light lake effect snow and snow showers for Monday, east and southeast of the lake primarily. Now this is a storm total map from 7 a.m., and I think for Syracuse it doesn't start until about 10 a.m. accumulating, through 1 p.m. Monday. 3 to 6 inches for most of central New York, a little bit more for some areas, maybe 7 inches up here on the Tug Hill, the Adirondacks, and the hills to the southeast. A little bit less for some areas, maybe only 2-3 inches for portions of the Finger Lakes and out to the west. For the next 12 hours, we're focusing on those temperatures down near zero. Futurecast saying zero, I think about +1, maybe +2. Then the temperatures go up with the clouds moving on in. Here's Sunday's forecast. Actually milder temperatures, 28, but the snow will be developing late morning. Should be light for a lot of the day. Increasing Sunday evening. 1 to 3 inches during the day, another 1 to 3 inches Sunday night, trace to 3 inches with light snow tapering to snow showers on Monday, especially east and southeast of the lake. It'll be windy, 27, 29 on Tuesday. A new system brings in some snow late day, goes over to rain showers at night. We have to 40 Wednesday.